Alright, I'm back out here at the site of the Hollywood Park Entertainment District. There's a few big changes going on. We'll go investigate that and show you what's up. See that upper level area, some kind of a light colored material going up. Some different portions here off of Century Boulevard. You can see some cinder blocks going up as well. That's going to go up quickly, I imagine. And you can see some messages from the iron workers, I believe. And we can get a shot here at the performance venue where it's like those windows are up. They've been doing some work on installing them the past few weeks. I've been very secretive on this portion of the project. I have not seen anything internally other than one rendering. Dying to know what this little theater is going to look like. I'm sure it's going to be state-of-the-art sound and imagery. That side view of the performance venue. Oh, we've just had a rain, but as you can see, I know a lot of people are curious about these trees that sit out here. They do have to be hand watered. And this is not their permanent home. They're gonna go to some other area of development. You know, they will go into the ground, Mother Earth, where they belong. But for now, you got to keep them alive as a portable box plant. And this is how they do it. And out here at SoFi Stadium, they just, as of last week, they started another vaccination site. This is only going to be for LAUSD, the LA Unified School District. Teachers, faculty, they've got about 85,000 or so staff members, teachers that are going to be vaccinated. And they'll get that first shot, and then a month later they're going to come back again. And hopefully get your kids back into school, and everybody will be happy and no more complaining. And vaccinations, I believe, are taking place east of the stadium, and you see cars exiting here off of Varus Drive. You can see here east of the stadium, tents are set up for getting your vaccine in the arm, as they say. Doesn't look really busy right now. I don't know if it's an off day or they just have a small daily allowance of how many people can get their vaccine. And we'll take a look here, the eastern end of the Hollywood Park development. One of my favorite views. You got El Segundo in the background there, but you got the three flags of the stadium, and then you can see the development there. And parking garage still looking the same, I suppose, with that those metal fixtures. Wind chimes, as one person commented a few videos back. And performance venue. It's like they have some type of covering up. I don't know if that's for rain or paint overspray. And over here on the residential area, I'll go with that for now. Not sure about a hotel, but seeing a lot of sparks, I guess, from welding. Of course, it's not happening now. Seeing the parking garage area there, they got the cinder blocks going.